Hey, Drawing One students. Couple great questions that have come about today. I just feel like I need to do a little clarifying. When you guys go to your Schoology course, I will want you to notice that you are still going to use the folders. The folders are a great way to stay organized, whether in class, out of class, or in the middle of both. Who knows? Looking at the daily schedule, I want you guys to notice that I did change the daily schedule. I'm so sorry. We're looking for this right here, the daily agenda. So the online agenda is going to show A day and then B day kids. Okay, so A day students just got this instruction. It's my plan time. So I was able to take a minute and make this little video. B day students, you guys are finding a paper bag to set up and create your drawing on. You need to open up this document here, and you are going to be preparing your bag just like this. So you find a bag, set it up on a piece of paper with a backdrop. Make sure that you like that composition. Crinkle it, tear it, rip it, fold it, do whatever you want with that bag. What kind of bag it could be? It could be a Walmart bag. It could be not a plastic bag. I'm sorry, like a paper, like ice cream bag. It could be a McDonald's bag. It could be a brown paper lunch sack. A variety of different types of paper bags. So you guys are going to spend today going through and working on that. Then right on top of this, you're going to try to figure out the vanishing points. So you're going to look at this and you're going to figure out which angle of the bag that bag sits on. So as you're drawing it, you're aware of this. And you could do this right on top of the computer on this photo here. You're going to work your way down through these photos, practicing finding that vanishing point and how that might change as that bag rips open. Then you guys are going to set up your paper bag, take a good quality photo of your paper bag, crop it, and then keep that bag in place for you guys to utilize throughout this project. Turn in a good high quality photo into Schoology. So that is what you guys are working on at home right here. Make sure that you then start drawing your paper bag on a 9x12 piece of paper. Make sure that you can see 3 sides of that bag so that you can see the front, the left, and the top maybe. Just like in the slideshow, 1, 2, 3 sides. And you're going to start drawing that bag at home. Just drawing a contour line. Turn in a progress photo of your drawing. Then on Wednesday, everyone will be working on Leonardo da Vinci journal entry page. And that is using information from last week's class. In person, we're learning how to draw different types of paper, crumpled paper, flat paper, paper with holes in it. So in class, I'm guiding you through the drawing portion. At home, you're preparing for your project. So right now, I want you guys to go find a paper bag and start setting it up to create a still life just like this that you'll take a picture and turn in. And then on this slide, I want you guys to go through and practice finding the vanishing point of this paper bag so that when you go to draw it, you can identify, oh, that line angles up and out to the side. This one angles up and out to the side. That is this week's agenda for in-person and out of class. And here are where you upload your items for the week. Hope that helps.